G'day guys, this is a couple of bird clockwork money boxes that we've picked up. This one here is probably a little more modern, made in West Germany, and it's got the little money box bottom on it, which is a plastic screw in, so you can see the graphics are a little bit better. Where this one here was made in West Germany. So as you can see, it comes with the key, and it also has a little lock and thing which I've now got working. So these are actually quite cute little money boxes. So you put your coin in the front there, turn the handle,
look at that.
and there she goes. Well done. As per usual, doesn't want to come out. So we'll get another coin and we'll do that once more. There we go, into the den of coins. These really are quite cute. So put the little coin on there. Oops. Comes, mouth open. Look at that. How cute is that? Some cute little clockwork toys. I'd say around about 1950s, 1960s.
And it's being metal.
Yep.
Yes, that's certainly about the era.
So look at the graphics on the side. So you can see the little squirrel, and there you've got the donkey. The front.
Tilt them up a little bit to the light and we'll be able to see them better. That's better.
And then the other side.
Oops, just down a fraction with that one. That's better. We can see that now.
So you can definitely see the graphics and everything. But these are a couple West Germany, German-made bird money boxes.
Super cute.
This is Wayne and Judy from Down Under, signing off.
Thank you for watching. Bye.